Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing so great in life. If not, look for the things you are very much interested in. And my name is Sunil. Today I'm effervescent to tell you about my journey, how I learned English. The way I'm speaking, I was not born with this language. When I speak like this, sometimes people doubt it. And whatever I'm saying, please do not take it with a pinch of salt. If you take that like that, you are not going to believe me, or you are not going to learn the way I have learned this language. Sometimes people only look at your hard work. Sometimes people only look at your results. People never ever see how hardworking you are and what problems, what ordeal experiences you have been through. So life is all about taking experiences. Life is all about doing things which you have never ever thought of. I also believe in one thing: nothing ventured, nothing gained. If you really want to learn something in life, you have to take a risk in life. You have to do things which you have never ever done. And I also believe in one thing: everything is viable. You just need to have the burning desires. You just need to have the fire in your belly. If you have the fire in your belly, the world is your oyster. I guess you also know this. And you just need to know your strengths. You just need to believe in yourself. You just need to have a strong conviction. If you have that conviction, everything will come to you. What you need to do is, you just need to have a lot of patience. And nothing is achieved overnight. Big things usually take some time. And if you want to be the master of English, you have to start with basics. And there are so many things that you need to work. And this is a complete process. And you are going to learn this language bit by bit. One day, work on tenses. The other day, work on vocabulary. The other day, you should work on pronunciation. Work on your writing, work on your reading, and you also need to work on your speaking. That's how you are going to learn a lot. And people usually ask me that what are the books that I have followed. Books, there can be any book you can learn from. The books which I have learned from are Raymond Murphy, Lucent, and there are so many other books that I have learned a lot. If you really want to learn things, you have to work very hard. And believe me, whatever I'm saying, I'm speaking the truth. I have not exaggerated anything so far. What you need to do, you just need to make a routine that you have to follow. Work very hard. And if you work hard, result will come to you. Thank you.